So hi guys, new day, new vlog. So today I have think about new content for my video, which is editing on CapCut. There's a new feature there on CapCut that helps you put emojis, AI artificial emojis on your face. So by the help of this, that is good. Actually, that is a good feature that I've seen on the CapCut, and now I'm going to make a tutorial on ways on how to put AI artificial on your face and some visual effects also. So yeah, without further ado, let's do start. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah, please do stay tuned. So today guys, we're going to access the CapCut here on my phone. Yeah, just going to click. So the next step we're going to do is you're going to make a new project and pick a picture, a video, a MP4 could do, and that features your whole facial expression. But before that, I want to see you the final input or product after you've been putting a artificial of your video through CapCut. So now we're going to choose the best fit video, and what I'm going to use is this one that I already recorded a while ago. Yeah, this video, we're going to use this video, then we're going to put in AI artificial on it. So this AI artificial has different varieties of type. It's not only a boy, but it has also different types of icons, facial icons, or artificial intelligent facial feature. So these are the different types of AI image. So we're going to download it all so we could try. So yeah, these are the coolest thing that I really like on the new feature of CapCut. So you can see it really syncs, and it has also a emotions wherein it adds extra level and expertise when it comes to video editing of your vlogs, TikToks, or anything like that, and so on. So yeah, this is the best thing that I've seen so far in CapCut, and hope you also see and make fun with this new feature that CapCut had. So yeah, that's just it that I'm trying to tell you guys. So better yet, use this guys. This is very awesome, and yeah, this is the one that I really like the most. That one, the cat girl, so nice, and this pug, so cute. So yeah, so I'm going to let you see a feature of how to apply it. So when you have applied it, it's not commonly applied to all of the video, so you have to do some tweaks on the video. So first, you're going to click that and drag it to the whole video, all throughout the video, so the whole AI intelligence proportion will apply to the whole video. So just like that guys, you're going to drag it by clicking it. So yeah, click that and drag all throughout the video. So yeah, it's just easy as that, just that. So what I really do like the most about this AI artificial intelligence face effect is that it really do syncs on your the movement of your mouth, the movement of your eyes, and your facial gestures. It really captures, or it really detects your facial emotions. So yeah, you're going to grab some screenshot, and so yeah, that will be all for that vlog today. And yeah, if you have some recommendation on what will be the vlog that I'm going to be posting on the future vlogs to come, please do comment down below at the comment section. And watching guys, hope you have fun. If you're new to this channel, please do like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, if there are fellow YouTubers out there who are here in Ligan City that wants to make collaborations with me, please don't hesitate to message me on my contact info below. I will be posting it on my description box. So yes, stay safe. COVID's still around there, and please do make some extra precautions. And yeah, that will be all for today, guys. Bye.